people. So first, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am gonna share my experience of a very delicious mutton gravy with you all. It's basically the Champaran meat. I'm sure you all are aware about this world famous mutton recipe. I've had it outside many a times but never ever attempted it. Today was the day that I thought I should attempt this, and I'll take you all through the journey, right? Let's get started with how I make the mutton recipe. Alright guys, let's get started. So I had taken 500 grams of lamb meat. I had ordered it from Licious. Even you can try it through their app. And इसमें क्या करना है, जस्ट आपको मैरिनेट करने के लिए अराउंड रफली हाफ एन आवर ऐसे रख देना है. उसमें आप जो आपका रॉ सरसों का तेल है वो, और थोड़ा सा कश्मीरी लाल मिर्च एंड जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट विद अ पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट. ओके, इन सब चीज़ों से इसको मैरिनेट करके रख देना है, और साथ ही साथ कोई भी मोटे परत का बर्तन ले लेना है. So I'll be cooking the meat in this cooker. This was a Russian cooker, which my dad had got when I was born. And although ये almost like if you see the handle wise ये टूट चुका है, but this reminds me of him, and I always prefer making the meat in this. So yes, you have to take ऐसे ही कोई मोटा परत का कुकर लीजिए या any kind of a बर्तन. Okay, and इसमें जो मस्टर्ड ऑयल होता है वो जनरस अमाउंट में लेना है, एंड लेट इट फ्यूम वेरी वेल. एंड आफ्टर दिस आई विल टेल यू ऑल व्हाट आई डू. ऑलराइट, यहाँ पे मेरे पास सारे अखे गरम मसाला है. लाइक वो जो भी है आपके पास आप वो सब ले लो. सूखी लाल मिर्च प्लस सम तेज पत्ता एंड अ प्रॉपर गार्लिक बल्ब एज वेल. राइट, ऑल दिस गोज इन द ऑयल नाउ. सो यू कैन सी ऑल ऑफ दिस गोज इन द ऑयल. नाउ गरम मसाले के बाद जाएगा उसमें प्याज. ठीक है, प्याज आपको रफली 3-4 मीडियम प्याज ले लेना है, एंड इसको ऐसे ही रफली चॉप अप कर लेना है. लाइक नॉट ज़्यादा पतला ना ज़्यादा मोटा. एंड दिस ऑल्सो गोज इन माई पैन नाउ. हियर गोज इन ऑल दी, बहुत लवली अरोमा आ रहा है आउट ऑफ दिस. सो ऐसे ही प्याज को सारे अखे गरम मसाला के साथ अच्छे से फ्राई होने दीजिए, एंड आई विल शो यू ऑल द नेक्स्ट स्टेप देन. सो जस्ट सी कितने अच्छे से आपका जो प्याज है वो अच्छे से फ्राई हो चुका है. नाउ इज द टाइम व्हेन आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड द मटन टू दिस. सो हियर गोज इन द मटन स्टू. So now see, after adding the mutton, let it cook for around 20 to 25 minutes. एकदम low flame कर दीजिए, and just cover this up and let it cook on very low flame. Guys, just can't express, but the aroma in the kitchen is just phenomenal right now. So yes, now is the time that I'm going to add all the dried masalas to this. Here we have some dhania powder, some red chili powder. This one is the Kashmiri red chili powder. Pinch of turmeric and salt as per your taste. Now this dried masala goes in my mutton gravy. This here. And in addition to the regular masalas, here goes in my meat masalas too. And a little bit of garam masala will go in next. Just see the mutton at this stage. I have not added water. It's all the mutton's water itself. And just see how beautiful it is coming out to be. So I'll just show you all how my mutton is turning out to be. I've not added additional water. It's all the mutton water itself. And if you all want, because I don't like the gravy to be runny, if you want you can add the water as per your comfort and your liking, and just a little bit more. Let the oil ooze out to the surface, and we're done with the mutton. So then I'll show you all how I plate this. Alright guys, see, this is how my mutton has come. Just see the gravy, it's even thick. And now I'll show you all how I plate this. Alright guys, so this is how the mutton has come out to be. Do try this recipe too at your homes, and let me know how was your experience about it. And if you've liked anything about this video, please leave me your comments in the section below. And until we meet next, over another weekend and another dish, take care till then. Bye bye.